Hello family, friends, and YouTube. I just received my new cowl lights with sequential turn signals from Pathfinder. Just received them, and since my motorcycle has a Gold Strike distribution block, I received the Pathfinder to Gold Strike adapters that I will be doing. I will be doing this install, and I will come right back to you once the install is complete. I will post in the description some videos on how to do this. Robert White put one together, Cruiseman put one together, so I will link the videos to those and be right back. All right, first thing first, we're going to unbox this. These are the cowl lights. Most people have seen the unboxings and stuff before. I just thought I would bring them out. You have the covers. You have the template everybody has talked about, that you cut out the template to do on the lights. Here are the instructions. And these are the lights. There's the power cord. And of course I wanted the black trim, not the chrome. And with that, I had, since I got a show chrome distribution block, I went ahead and got the Pathfinder to Pathfinder to Gold Strike. So I have the Gold Strike distribution block, and that model number and part number is 48902. So these are the lights. Now let's do the install.